Hey guys, welcome to the second video of Rust series. In this video we will talk about data type. So in Rust we have scalar types and compound types. So in scalar types we have obviously integer types, float types, boolean types, and also we have a character type. So in integer, of course, we have signed integer and unsigned integer, as we have seen to other programming languages. So Rust doesn't differs from that. Rust offers us different types of integer. Like if you look at this signed integer, this is 8-bit and this is unsigned 8-bit integer. Now if you look at this i16, this is 16-bit signed, this is unsigned 16-bit, this is signed 32-bit. So Rust offers us integer in different sizes. And also I want to talk about this I size and U size. So this too depends on your system architecture. Okay, so how it depends on your system architecture? So let's say you have a 64-bit processor and you have installed a 32-bit operating system. Now this I size can max up to 32-bit integer, signed integer. Okay, now let's say you have a 64-bit processor and you have installed a 64-bit operating system. So in this case, this I size, this signed integer, basically this will go up to 64-bit. So we use this kind of integer when we are not sure about the size of the integer, so we just want to use the max that we have. So that is basically for the integer types. And after that we have floating point. So in case of floating point, Rust offers us two types of float, that is f32 and f64. And after that we have boolean type, and this is 8-bit. And after that we have character type. This holds a single character. Let's talk about the tuple type. So in tuple we can combine different data types together. Let's say we have a signed 32-bit integer, then we have boolean, then we have character value, and we have assigned them to the tuple variable. And after that, if you look at the example of array is also a primitive type. So one is single dimensional array, and after that I have shown multi-dimensional array. So this is how you can declare the array. Let followed by the array name, then you provide the type. So this is unsigned integer of 8-bit, and after that semicolon, then we pass the array size, and that is how we define single dimensional array. And in case of multi-dimensional array, we define the column size. So 1 2 3, so we have 3 columns here, and how many rows we want, so that is the 2 row. So if we want a third row, we'll just add a third row and we'll just write 7. That is how we define multi-dimensional array. So if I run this, so if you see here, I am printing the integer values, the floating point values, the boolean types, the characters, and then obviously I have printed the tuple, then array, and then multi-dimensional array. Yeah, so that is it for this video, and next video we will talk about string or slice types.